Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 2 English textbook, workbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 6, Mr. Turtle's Escape. And today's topic is pronouns. Essay laws of this lesson are: illustrate the use of substitution words learnt earlier, recognize that some words substitute particular and general naming words. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to discuss the pronouns with examples. I know you are familiar with the pronouns. Pronoun is a part of speech which replaces the noun. Noun names a person, place, or thing. Look here, the page number 31 of your textbook. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. For example, here Amna is reading a story. Here Amna in this sentence is a noun, is a person here. And look here, the second sentence, she is reading a story. This sentence is about Amna. The word she replaces the noun Amna here, and she is what? Yes, pronoun. Amna is a noun and we replaces it by the pronoun she. Why we use pronouns? We use pronouns to avoid repetition of noun. जब हम noun की repetition को avoid करते हैं और to listener और to speaker जब कोई noun दोनों को known होता है तो हम pronoun का use करते हैं. जैसे कि हमने आमना का पहले जिक्र कर दिया इस सेंटेंस में. अब दूसरे सेंटेंस में हम दोबारा से आमना को रिपीट नहीं करेंगे, हम उसको रिप्लेस करेंगे प्रोनाउन से. इस तरह हमारे और भी प्रोनाउंस हैं. आई, इट, यू, वी, दे, ही और इट. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट कि इट जो होता है आपका एनिमल और ऑब्जेक्ट थिंग्स के लिए यूज होता है और बाकी जितने भी होंगे वो ह्यूमन बींग्स पर्सन के लिए यूज होगा. आई, इट, आई, यू, वी, दे, ही, शी, देम, एक्सेट्रा. लेट मी गिव यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. सना एंड सारा are playing. In this sentence, Sana and Sara are what? Yes, noun. And how we will replace them? By adding pronoun here. We have two noun, plural, not a single noun here. So what we will do? Yes, we will replace it by adding they for both noun here. They are playing. हमने सना और सारा को रिप्लेस कर दिया प्रोनाउन दे से. दे किसके लिए यूज करता है? होता है इंडिकेट करता है प्लूरल नाउन्स के लिए, जब नाउन आपका एक से ज्यादा हो. फीमेल के लिए आपका शी इस्तेमाल होगा. जैसे कि इधर आमना जो है क्या है? एक लड़की है और उसको जब हम रिप्लेस करेंगे तो शी से रिप्लेस करेंगे. फीमेल के लिए हमेशा शी का प्रोनाउन यूज होता है. अहमद इज राइटिंग. Here Ahmad is what? Yes, noun. And how we will replace it? We will add she, no, because he's not a female, he's a male. What we will do? Yes, we will replace it by the pronoun he. He is writing. Let me give you some more examples. Cat is running. Here the cat is what? Yes, an animal. What I told you, how we will replace it? By adding the pronoun it here. It is running. There is one rule to remember here. For singular noun, you have to use he, she, it. And for plural noun, we, they, them, us, etc. And the pronoun you can be used in singular and with plural both. It depends upon the situation. Now let's move forward. Page number 32 of your textbook. We have an exercise of pronouns here. Let's do it. Use a pronoun to replace the noun in bold. We have noun here in bold letters here. We have to replace it by pronouns, which we discussed in this lesson. Sentence A here. Matahir has put his hand in the mud. Can you guess what is Matahir? Yes, he's a noun and he's a boy. You can guess by this word his, because he's a male. So what we will do? Yes, we will replace it by adding he here. Underline the Matahir and write he. The B. Two men ran away. As I told you, if the person are more than two, we will add they for here. We will replace it by the pronoun they. Yes, underline the two men and write they. They ran away. See, Shazia tried again. Here the Shazia is what? Yes, she is a pronoun and a female. So what we will do? We will replace it by the pronoun she here. Underline the Shazia and write she here. She tried again. अब ये जो D है आपका aligned road in the jungle. As I told you, K. Line क्या है? Animal है. Animal के लिए हम कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे? Yes, it. Simply इसको underline करें और यहाँ पर लिख दें it. It rode in the jungle. Sentence E here. My teacher gave me a book. What we will do? Yes, teacher is a noun here. So just underline it and simply write he or she. If your teacher is a male, you can write he. If your teacher is a female, you can write she here. She gave me a book. Question 2 here. Underline the pronouns in these sentences. You have to underline the pronouns which we have discussed in these sentences. Sentence A here. I went to school. Yes, it's very easy to spot out pronoun in this sentence. I is a pronoun here. Question B. We watched the boys playing. Yes, we here is what? Pronoun. Question C. They were going to Lahore. Exactly. They is a pronoun here. Sentence D. He wants to play with a toy. Here the pronoun is he. Sentence E. Amna and I are in the same class. Here Amna is a noun. It's not a pronoun. Here the pronoun is yes, I. Sentence F. She sang a song on the birthday party. इस सेंटेंस में आपका प्रोनाउन है she. Sentence D. It is a beautiful parrot. A पैरट तो नाउन है, इसको जो है दोबारा से जो है रिपीट नहीं किया सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में, उसको इट लिख दिया है। ये इट जो प्रोनाउन है आपका, ये पैरट के लिए ही यूज हुआ है। जैसे कि मैंने बताया था कि एनिमल के लिए आप प्रोनाउन इट ही यूज करेंगे। दिस इज योर होम टास्क फ्रॉम वर्कबुक। Question 2, page number 26. Read the given lines and cross out the wrong pronoun, then share it with your siblings. सेंटेंस आपने पढ़ने हैं, उनको समझना है, और इसमें से जो रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंस है आपने उनको क्या करना है, क्रॉस करना है। इस तरह उसके ऊपर क्रॉस लगाना है। जो आपको ठीक लगता है उसको रहने देना है आपने, और जो गलत लगता है आपको उस पर आपने क्रॉस लगाना है। एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक। ये आपके यूनिट 6 का टेक्स्ट है, आपने इसको पढ़ना है, और जितने भी प्रोनाउंस हमने डिस्कस किए इस लेसन में आपने उनको सिंपली अंडरलाइन करना है। जैसे कि फर्स्ट लाइन में आप देखें, ही वॉज वेरी एंग्री, ही को आपने अंडरलाइन कर दिया बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रोनाउन। टिल नेक्स्ट लेसन, अल्लाह हाफिज, थैंक यू।